gray crown crane. East African gray crown crane. Today we're inside the East African East Crown Madre. Today we're inside the temporary enclosure for the East African Gray Crown Crane. It's a tongue twister for me, but okay. These guys here, they grow to be about 3 to 3.5 feet high. Their wingspan is about 6 feet wide, give and take. These guys have some beautiful colors to them. They're very beautiful birds. We have a set of 4. And we train them to eat out of our hands, to become very friendly, that the students can interact with them. We're building the enclosure on the opposite side, that they can have plenty of space to fly and plenty of space to move around. They are friendly to a certain time, but again, it all depends how you train them. We receive them as juvenile, that we can raise them ourselves, which once again, it's very important that you get them at a young age, that you can train them and that they can interact with you. And they can do something like this, you know, eat out of your hands. Come on. Today we also have the Cape Barren geese. They're also nice guys here. And this crane does not like, he wants to be in the center of the attraction here. To name them, so we're trying to find out some names. So if you guys can subscribe, like, and comment and help us out with some names, would be very helpful, that we can get names for them. There are 4 of them, so the more help that we can get from people is good, because sometimes with the animals we run out of names sometimes and we need help.